Okay, so this week we are reviewing prefixes and suffixes. So let's kind of talk about our prefix and suffix. So remember, we have what is called a root word or a base word, and that is a part of the word that carries meaning. So for instance, if my word was paint, okay, that is my root word, okay. If I added a suffix to the end of paint, so if I added the suffix er, so a suffix is the word added to an end of a root word, so er, and er means more or person who, so painter, so it means a person who paints. Now, if I were to add a prefix, which a prefix is a word added to the beginning of a root word, so if I added the prefix re, and it said repaint, that means to paint again. So we add a prefix to the beginning of a root word, okay, to change its meaning, and then we add a suffix to the end of the root word to change its meaning also. So some of the prefixes we have talked about. Re, which means again. Un means not or opposite of. Pre means before. Mis means wrong. Dis means not or opposite of. Okay, so these are all, sorry, these all go to the beginning of a word. Suffix. Full means full of. Less, without. Er can mean more or a person who. So when you're comparing things or people, it's your er means more. When you're not comparing, it means a person who. Est means most. That's when you're comparing more than two things. And then able to. Okay. So your handout for today looks like this. It's called Define It, and we are looking at the suffixes, prefix and suffixes re, un, dis, mis, er, and ed. Ed, guys, is past tense. That means it's happened in the past. Okay? So you are going to read the definition and find the word from the word bank that matches. So this one says to have joined again. So we know the word again is going to have re. So I'm going to look for a word that has re, rejoined. One who bicycles. Okay, so remember we talked about er can mean more, or it can mean person who. Okay, so that means bicycler. Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to do. Okay. 6 to do.